In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload long animated Steam artworks to an artwork showcase. We'll go from opening the app to getting your animated piece live on your profile, with a few tips to help it look its best. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile you plan to use. If you use Steam Guard, have your verification method ready so you can get in smoothly. Once you're in, head to your profile by clicking your profile name in the top right corner, then selecting View My Profile from the drop-down. This takes you to your public profile page, where all your community items live. On your profile page, locate the artwork section. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down. It appears alongside other sections like screenshots and videos. Click into Artwork to manage and upload your pieces. Next, click the Upload Artwork button. This opens the submission page where you'll provide the content and details. Because this animated artwork isn't tied to a specific game, choose the Not Game Specific option. This ensures it appears in your general artwork library and can be showcased on your profile. Now add your artwork details. Give your piece a clear, catchy title that tells viewers what they're about to see. Upload your animated file. GIF is commonly used for animated artwork on Steam. For long animated artworks, make sure the file meets Steam's size and format requirements, and consider optimizing the file so it loads quickly. Add a short, informative description to let people know what the animation is about, how it was made, or any context that will help them appreciate it. Keep it concise and helpful. Set your visibility preferences next. You can make the artwork public so anyone can view it, limit it to friends if you prefer a smaller audience, or keep it private while you review how it looks on your profile. Public is a great choice if you plan to feature it in your artwork showcase. Before you submit, review Steam's ownership and rights guidelines. Only upload content you created or have permission to use, and confirm that you understand and agree to the terms. This protects your account and ensures your work stays visible. When you're ready, click Save and continue to finish the upload. Your artwork will go live for the audience you chose. After it's uploaded, you can feature it in your artwork showcase from your profile customization so it's front and center. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.